everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you some matching outfit ideas for mother-daughter and also few cute poses for your memorable photo shoot with your bundle of joy. So continue watching and do let me know in the comment section if you liked any. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.